Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, and it becomes even more important when it comes to the development of Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad. Raj Nagar is a rapidly growing area, with numerous residential and commercial projects being developed. The success and durability of these projects heavily depend on the quality of the soil on which they are built. Hence, conducting a thorough soil investigation in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is of utmost importance. The purpose of soil investigation is to determine the characteristics and properties of the soil in the area. This information helps engineers and architects in designing suitable foundations and structures that can withstand the load and other environmental factors. By conducting soil investigation in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, professionals can identify any potential issues such as weak soil, high water table, or presence of contaminants in the soil. This allows them to take appropriate measures to mitigate these risks and ensure the safety and stability of the structures being constructed. The process of soil investigation involves various techniques and methods. It begins with the collection of soil samples from different locations in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical properties such as moisture content, density, permeability, and shear strength. The samples may also be tested for chemical composition and presence of pollutants. This data is then used to assess the suitability of the soil for construction purposes and to design appropriate foundation systems. In addition to analyzing soil samples, soil investigation also involves conducting field tests to gather further information about the soil conditions. These tests may include cone penetration tests, plate load tests, and standard penetration tests. Any building project needs to conduct a thorough soil assessment, but it becomes even more critical when it comes to the development of Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad. Raj Nagar is a neighborhood that is developing a lot of residential and commercial projects. The condition of the soil on which these projects are constructed has a significant impact on their success and long-term viability. Therefore, it is crucial to do a complete soil research in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. The aim of a soil investigation is to identify the features and attributes of the local soil. Engineers and architects can use this information to develop sturdy foundations and buildings that can endure loads and other environmental variables. Professionals can spot any possible problems, such as weak soil, a high water table, or the presence of toxins in the soil, by conducting soil investigations in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. This enables them to implement the necessary procedures to reduce these risks and guarantee the security and stability of the structures being built. A variety of techniques and approaches are used during the soil investigation process. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, soil samples are first collected from various areas.